Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop. Today I'm going to show you a product we brought in, and I think it's a great product to get those young people involved into crafts and get them into something feeling and being able to use their hands, get them off their cell phones and their iPads and stuff, and get them doing something that has a little skill effect to it. It's not sewing, but it leads into sewing and leads into the mother or grandmother that wants to get their young one involved in something. So this is called punch needle. And punch needle is used with a gridded cloth, and you punch a yarn through with the tool and you follow designs, or you can make your own designs. And I have done it with the kit. The kit gives you extra yarn. This is what's left over from this kit. So you got plenty of yarn to make the kit. It gives you a little baggie. It gives you the fabric, which is a monk's cloth. It gives you the frame to put it into after you're done. The big thing, it gives you this super high quality tool. This tool works so well. I'm not going to demonstrate the actual function of it because the company gives you an instruction. This Urban Acres gives you the punch needle kit instructions, gives you a look on how to do it, and if you want to watch, you have QR codes for each aspect of it. So there's a couple ways of doing it, either from the front or from the back, and it depends upon how long you want to pile or how long you want the loop to fit. There's a wonderful, it's a really cool three-dimensional effect. This is the larger kit. So one way was from the back and the other way was from the front, and you get more of a flat effect this way and you get a three-dimensional effect that way. What's cool, if you make a mistake, it's kind of like knitting. You pull out on the yarn and it all comes out. The fabric will heal and you can start all over. So it's a great way to, again, I'm considering these a really good gift idea for Christmas or a birthday or something like that. You have the smaller kits. The smaller kits are those round ones. The larger kit comes in this package, and again, it comes with the punch tool, comes with the yarn, comes with the snips, comes with the framed canvas, and the pattern instructions. And it also has a little plastic needle. Apparently you need that to finish it off or something like that. So they'll be on my Shopify account, and I'm going to try to do that slowly. It's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. And I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the small designs, and we have 3 of the larger designs, or maybe 4. We have a butterfly. Looks like I just showed you the bumblebee and this cute little beetle with a flower on its wings. So these are what we have available now. If these guys go like House of Fire, we can get some different designs. They have a few extras, but these are their top selling designs. So on the small kit, you have the mushroom, you have the strawberry, which was our sample. We have this leaf and flower. We have like a jungle leaf. We have almost like a cotton plant, a large leaf and plant, and then sort of like a daisy. So again, these will all be on the Shopify account, and with my Shopify, if it's over $50, you get free freight. So you include the small ones with something free freight. These would qualify for free freight on the large ones. So check that out, and hopefully these will work out great for you. Thank you very much.